Hey guys, today we're gonna fix a power stream box for a BW75 81. Anyway, the reason fixing it is because this nut right here, this nut doesn't work, or it's really stuck, or I don't know what's wrong with it, so we're just gonna toss it away. We found this one that we need to cut, and we're gonna cut right about there. And that's pretty much what we're going to be doing today. But let me go ahead and reopen it again for you guys. You guys see that little pin? That pin needs to be pushed down so that the steering bus doesn't have any play on it. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to remove the 4 nuts, or bolts, whatever you want to call them.
I always get confused with those. Now the reason these are loose already is because I already opened this thing up.
If you see this nut, this is so you can grease the steering box. It's just a little plug. Carefully remove this. This is the top. This is the gasket that we might need to replace later on. And this is the moving mechanism. As you can see right now, it has play on it. But if you were to... Oh, by the way, this is a spring that helps the steering box not to have any play. Now, if we move this down, no play, right? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna clean it up some more and grease it up pretty good. We're gonna cut this because this one has a little hex nut into it, so pretty good. Alright, so now we have that going. That's a nice little plug, huh? So now since we have this going, now we're going to clean the whole unit out.